You need a ride, son?
Wait, you're going the wrong way.
You ain't going anywhere, boy. Get out of here, boy.
No.
There you go. Get him, boy.
Oh.
Yeah.
It was straight too. It was like, I was in the back seat, so there's no way I could have done that.
I was running beside it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and then you just stopped me. The headache.
Because he's wearing a tie, it got in the way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The car ran into that. I can't, I'm looking at the husbands. Don't do that.
Don't
Start reversing. We're stuck, and again, we're stuck. Okay.
Oh.
He hit that on the window.
How can you guys be fighting when we're fixing to have the best time to like ever?
You don't get to change up the words.
I didn't breathe.
Okay, go.
You don't know, but you know.
What? Move your head away. Why you start laughing? Okay, go.
You don't know, but you know.
It's you don't know, but you just know. Okay. Okay, lean up.
No, but you just know.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
I forgot you can't drive it too.
Before we go anywhere, hold on, Corey. What's talking about? What just be looking that way, Corey. Look at Adrian. Go. Okay. Okay. He looked at you. Okay, filming.
Okay.
Go.
2, 3.
You gotta cut that. Corey's gonna
Stop
be like the
laughing, because when you laugh,
he's gonna be like the only one on the bloopers. Go. Go.
Way to go, man. You can't even...
No, Corey.
I thought you were telling me to do it because
I will. I'm Bob. Go.
It's got nothing on it.
Go.
Sure do.
Go.
Sure do.
Let me turn it on. Hold on, redo it. He was in the way. Wait till I say go. I was ready though.
There's nothing else we can do.
Go. Huh? Say.
Yeah, me and Brandon will go and you stay here.
Do it again. Say, yeah, me and Brandon will go, you stay here. Go.
Me and Brandon will go and you stay here.
Go.
Well, it's either in the car and out here.
It's either in the car or out here. Go.
Well, it's either in the... Well, it's either in the car or in here.
Out here.
Sorry.
Go.
Well, it's either in the car.
Where's that hash I found?
I didn't do anything, dude.
Right, you're such
I was
a
just
liar.
looking at him.
Out here. Say it like loud to him. Go.
Where's that?
Stop, dude. Go.
Where's that hash you found? I'll sleep. Stop. Stop. Yeah, you did.
You
I
did
was just
this.
like
I
this.
can see you.
I went like that. I was fixing to go like...
Which way? Dude, stop.
I am not...
Go.